been walked in vain. Gotta make your resolution by the U.S. Constitution, or you'll all be left here standing in the rain. Why do you stand here in the rain? Why do we stand here in the rain? These are strange carries-on the White House Capitol lawn. Why do you stand there in the rain?
Get a job, hippie! The claims of my grandfather, you craggy bastard.
Ignorance is easy. I was gonna warn for you people.
We have to stand together and mean it.
Keep your promises. Where do you think America